This video will demonstrate how to use EagleSearch to find articles in journals, magazines, and newspapers. EagleSearch is a powerful tool for finding information from articles and other types of library materials. It enables you to search nearly all of our online and physical sources at the same time. It is a good place to start when you aren't sure which database to use. You can use EagleSearch from the quick search box in the main library page. To make your search more precise, select Advanced Search. If you are off campus, click the Off-Campus Access button and log in using the single sign-on. Here is a quick overview of how EagleSearch can help you quickly find sources on your topic. Type a keyword related to your topic into the box at the top. Note that the concepts are divided into separate boxes. One way to expand your search is to use Boolean operator OR to combine terms with related meanings, like satisfy and complain in this example. The asterisks indicate truncation, which searches for variant forms of the word. This is a good way to expand your search. This strategy will find items which mention customer loyalty programs and any form of either the word satisfy or the word complain, including satisfy or satisfaction or satisfied or complaint or complaining, etc. Notice also that we have selected the disciplines most related to our topic: business and management and marketing. This helps to limit the results to our field of interest. Further down on EagleSearch's advanced search screen are more ways to limit your results. You may choose to limit your search to articles only, to peer-reviewed, or scholarly articles, or to articles available in full text. You can also limit to articles written in English. It is usually a good idea to limit by date unless you are searching in a subject area where currency is not important, such as the humanities. On the search results page, you can further limit your search results by using the filtering tool to the left of the column. You can limit by type of publication, by subject, publication title, and other options. Another way to improve the relevance of your results is to use field searching. This means your search terms must occur in a specific field of the database. This article shows the different fields available for searching. The best way to limit search results for relevance is to search the field labeled Subject Terms. Each article is tagged with these standardized terms when added to the database. Using the same search terms as our initial strategy, here we have changed the field indicator to show that we want those terms to be in the subject field. The result will be fewer articles, which are more relevant to your topic. When you find an article you want to read, you can download the full text by clicking the PDF link. It may be helpful to click the title of the article so you can find more information and more options. By reading the abstract, you can learn more about the article. The full text links are on the left, and the menu on the right gives various options, including the ability to print, email, save to folder, or cite. The cite link provides automatically formatted citations in various styles. Be sure to compare the format to your style manual and your professor's instructions. Automatically generated citations often have errors that the user is responsible for correcting. If you don't see a link to full text in PDF or HTML format, you may see the full text finder link, which will link to the full text in another database. If you see a link labeled Request from another library, that means we don't have access to the article through the library. We can usually get it for you from another library for a $2 request fee. Before you place a request or give up, try this. Paste the title of the article into Google. For better accuracy, put quotation marks around it to search for the exact phrase. Often, popular magazines and trade journals post their content on the internet without a paywall. You might just find the article available for free. Librarians are available to help you with your research. The Ask a Librarian link provides information on how to reach a librarian to ask a question or request help with your research. Students who need research assistance can call, text, email, chat online, or come by the one-stop library service desk, or make an appointment to meet virtually with a librarian. We are always happy to help in any